环球小姐采访原版翻译来了。
Hello, welcome to China. How about you feel about your first visit to China?
First of all, I want to say thank you so much for having me here. I feel very happy and I feel so proud. I didn't know at first time that there would be so much Hmong here, and that's really surprised me because everybody welcomed me like it's so warm and it's so nice. Everybody is smiling. I do want to be here again next time.
And next, how about your future plans in the future?
I have two plans in the future. First is I want to build my own school. So it will be like a normal and regular school. A program there I will teach or share with people about life skill. Because the problem is nowadays our young generation, when we ask them, how do you see yourself in the next 2 years, or what do you want in your life, and they cannot answer that question. So that's the problem. So I want to help our young generation, those children to be able to answer that question, to know who they really are and to know what they really want to go in the future. So that's what I want to do and help. So it's about mindset, life skill, all the technique. And the second goals that I want to do is about my Hmong Community Center. So it will gather all the Hmong ethnic group together, but not only Hmong, but also other ethnic group as well, especially the performance and the music instrument and all of those things. So I want to do that in the future. So that's my two.
罗派英也是一个非常励志的姑娘，出生在我们的老挝的苗族山区，然后呢，她自己又非常的励志，不断的学习英文，然后最后成长为环球的小姐，也是第一个国家级的苗族的环球小姐。我们希望罗派英的梦想能够成真。